Hi everyone! Welcome to Straight Out of Osaka. I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I show you how to make datemaki. Datemaki is a Japanese sweet-rolled omelette that's eaten as a part of Osechi ryori, the traditional New Year's feast. It is similar to tamagoyaki, but datemaki is sweetened and made with fish or prawn paste. Today, I'm gonna use hanpen, a type of fish cake. Using hanpen is easy and tasty. Alright, let's get started! Let's have a look at the ingredients. For more details, please see the recipe at the end of this video. First, cut the hanpen into small pieces and put into the food processor. Then add 4 eggs, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of dashi powder and mix until smooth. Strain the egg mixture to make it smooth and tasty. Turn on low heat and add a little olive oil, then spread the oil all over the pan. Pour the egg mixture into the pan and cover with aluminum foil. Keep the low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until cooked through. If it's still not cooked through, turn over and cook the other side for 1 to 2 minutes. Place the omelette on the makisu with the flat side down. If it's hot, please wait a few minutes. Make shallow cuts on the surface so that it's easy to roll. Start rolling the omelette and press down for 10 seconds to make a core. Keep pressing down lightly and roll it up while pulling. Once finished, fasten it with a rubber band. Then wrap it to prevent it from drying out and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Remove from fridge and cut into pieces. If we want to taste it, cut a bit off the edge and taste it. Let's serve it up! Datemaki is for New Year's feast, but it can also be a side dish for regular meals. It's not really hard to make it, so give it a go!
いただきます。
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I hope to bring you guys more yummy recipes next year. I'll see you in my next video. Have a happy new year. ほなまたね。